I'm Ryan Naylor, here to help you grow as a guitarist, and in today's song lesson we are going to be checking out While My Guitar Gently Weeps by the Beatles from the White Album. So this song, written by George Harrison, of course, really established him as a solid third songwriter within the band, and it's a real standout on this album, along with the real randomness such as Piggies and Wild Honey Pie and The Story of Bungalow Bill and all these really weird songs. But this is an awesome song, so I wanted to bring it to the channel today. Don't forget, just before we get started, my free ebook, Fretboard Mastery, how you can effectively learn all the notes on the guitar fretboard in a matter of days, is available from my website for free. You can follow the link in the card or the description box to get yourself a copy. So what I'll do, I'll keep things simple. I'm just going to take you through the two progressions. We'll just strum through those, and then I'll give you a couple of strumming patterns as suggestions for your practice at home. We are in standard tuning, no capo, and the tempo is 114 BPM. So this song finds us with two progressions really. Taking the intro first, which is the first half of what I'm calling progression A. We start with the A minor in the open position. Then we have an A minor with the G bass, using the pinky to grab the G at the 3rd fret of string 6. Then I'm going to use my thumb in the 2nd fret of string 6 with an F sharp note. Now this has many different names. We could call it A minor over F sharp, or F sharp half diminished, or F sharp minor 7 flat 5. And then to the F. Now given the chord that comes before, I'm going to use the F in that shape. You could use, of course, the bar grip, or that, or whatever works for you. Okay, that's the first 4 measures. Then we go A minor again, to G, another rock G, to D, and then E. So taking that progression, just strumming every beat, is 1. And then at 17 seconds we have verse 1, it's that progression again. Now with the verses, we're going to do that progression twice. In the first time, the last 2 measures, we do the E, and then the E. Sorry, the D, and then the E. It's like the intro. But in the second time, we're going to do a C to E. So let's put that together again. The verse, 17 seconds. Watch out for the different ending. 3, 4. D. Back to A minor again. This time it's C to E. And then at 50 seconds we have section B, the second progression, bar chords here. So we start with A major, then second measure C sharp minor, and the 4th fret, that A shaped minor chord I like to think of it as. Then we go to F sharp minor in the 2nd fret of string 6, back to C sharp minor at the 4th of string 5, then we go down 2 frets to a B minor, and again B minor, and then we have 2 measures of the E. And that section B is played twice. So I'll play that for you again, just playing on the beats. It's at 50 seconds in the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. go again. And that E major leads nicely back to the A minor as we repeat progression A at 124. Then at 158 we've got the guitar solo, that is progression A again. 2 minutes 30 we go progression B. 304 we're back to the A again. And at 337 we have the section A again serving as the outro. And just a little thing to look out for, as I listen to it, on at 3:53 when section A repeats, there is at 4:06, there's a D chord heard in the guitar part where it should be a C, because the C is being played in the bass, but the guitar is playing a D chord. If you just follow the progression as normal, you will be fine, but the Beatles did make a mistake there. 4 minutes 10, section A again repeating to fade, and the song ends at 4:45. So thinking about strumming patterns for this song, there's nothing faster than eighth notes. So our strumming will be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and that's the motion of the strumming hand. And you can clearly hear the following rhythm in the intro, which will be a good rhythm for you in the verse, so section A. It's going to be 1, 2, 3 and 4 and down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So doing that one time with the strumming pattern. That would be a good strum for that section A progression. So with section B, you could very well keep that strumming pattern going, but maybe a little variation. You could put in a tied strum, which more closely reflects what's going on. Maybe something like down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, the old classic down, up, or even add the up on the upbeat of 4, 1, 2, down. So it would be down. Again, I would say though, I think on the E chord, as you come around on the second time going back to section A, I would probably strum all of those 8 to 1 and 2. So there you are, guys. That is While My Guitar Gently Weeps, the progressions at least. I'm toying with the idea of breaking down those guitar fills and the guitar solo. If you would like me to do that, please do leave a comment in the section below. I think I'll make a chord chart available from my website. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you don't already. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future channel notifications. You guys take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!